Hello guys. In this video I want to show you the way to display on the screen the keystrokes clicked. This is good for you who create video tutorials, so the learners or the viewers know what we do on the keyboard. This is what I want to show you. While I am clicking the keyboard key, the screen is displaying the clicked keystrokes. This is useful when we use the combination of keyboard keys for shortcuts in the video tutorial. Okay. To do that we can use the pointer focus software. After we install the pointer focus and open it, we can activate the pointer focus keystrokes by clicking the icon here. And to change the setting, we can open the option here.